Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Amin. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. We Mariam Safdar team presents you Arabic language course in a new series. We are going to learn this from the book Minhajun Arabiyya. Let's start. Let's see some new words. In Arabic, farun. Let's repeat, farun. In English, rat. In Urdu, chuha. The next one, qittun. Let's repeat, qittun. In English, cat. In Urdu, billy. The next one, abiyadu. Let's repeat, abiyadu. In English, white. In Urdu, safed. The next one, tayrun. Let's repeat, tayrun. In English, bird. In Urdu, parinda. The next one, ghurabun. Let's repeat, ghurabun. In English, crow. In Urdu, kawwa. The next one, aswadu. Let's repeat, aswadu. In English, black. In Urdu, kala. The next one, jadidun. Let's repeat, jadidun. In English, new. In Urdu, naya. The next one, aina. Let's repeat, aina. In English, where. In Urdu, kaha. The next one, lazimun. Let's repeat, lazimun. In English, necessary. In Urdu, zaruri. The next one, faqtun. Let's repeat, faqtun. In English, only. In Urdu, sirf. The next one, al-ilm. Let's repeat, al-ilm. In English, the knowledge. In Urdu, ilm. The next one, al-amal. Let's repeat, al-amal. In English, work. In Urdu, काम, amal. Now let's translate the sentences into English and Urdu. Hada farun. Let's repeat, Hada farun. In English, this is a rat. In Urdu, ye chूहा hai. The next one, Hadal faru saghirun. Let's repeat, Hadal faru saghirun. In English, this rat is small. In Urdu, ye chूहा छोटा है. The next one, Zalika qittun. Let's repeat, Zalika qittun. In English, that is a cat. In Urdu, वो बिल्ली है. The next one, Zalikal qittu kabirun. Let's repeat, Zalikal qittu kabirun. In English, that cat is big. In Urdu, वो बिल्ली बड़ी है. The next one, Wahuwa abiyadu. Let's repeat, Wahuwa abiyadu. In English, and that is white. In Urdu, और वो सफ़ेद है. The next one, Zalika tayrun. Let's repeat, Zalika tayrun. In English, that is a bird. In Urdu, वो परिंदा है. The next one, Zalika tayru ghurabun. Let's repeat, Zalika tayru ghurabun. In English, that bird is crow. In Urdu, वो परिंदा कौवा है. The next one, Wahuwa aswadu. Let's repeat, Wahuwa aswadu. In English, and that is black. In Urdu, और वो काला है. The next one, Hadha darasun. Let's repeat, Hadha darasun. In English, this is a lecture. In Urdu, ये दर्स है. The next one, Hazad darasu jadidun. Let's repeat, Hazad darasu jadidun. In English, this lecture is new. In Urdu, ये दर्स नया है. The next one, Wahuwa sahlun la sa'abun. Let's repeat, Wahuwa sahlun la sa'abun. In English, and that is easy, not hard. In Urdu, और वो आसान है मुश्किल नहीं. The next one, Al-Arabi lazimi lil muslimi. Let's repeat. Al Arabi lazimi lil muslimi. In English, Arabi is necessary for Muslim. In Urdu, Muslim के लिए अरबी ज़रूरी है. The next one, ذَلِكَ عَلِمُ جَيِّدٌ فَقْتُ فِي الْعِلْمِ لَا فِي الْعَمَلِ. Let's repeat. ذَلِكَ عَالِمُ جَيِّدٌ فَقْتُ فِي الْعِلْمِ لَا فِي الْعَمَلِ. In English, that scholar, alim, is good only in knowledge, not in work. In Urdu, वो आलिम सिर्फ इल्म में ही अच्छा है, अमल में नहीं. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our lesson today. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.